We are in the Grand Canyon. There they are back there. And there's Kaylee. And there's me. The old people. And here's the Grand Canyon. That's what Papa said.
I didn't say that.
Yes, you did. I have video proof. We've never been here, so it's cool. Look at this. There's a building. It's really weird looking. Oh my goodness.
Oh, look how far down that is.
This is so crazy.
This doesn't look real.
Yeah, it doesn't. It looks so fake.
I remember.
Hi. The Grand Canyon. Woo!
You look like my guinea pigs. Still with the tail.
That's a smaller squirrel than the ones we have.
Yeah. Look like it's not talking again. She's like, she's gonna fall and die.
Check this out. Woo.
Oh,
It's cool. No, I'm not.
Okay. Oh gosh. I'm not wearing the appropriate clothing. A Disneyland sweater and shorts. And some Vans.
I bet you. Here, hold this. I'm gonna see if I can jump from one thing to another. Ready? Here we go. I'm gonna fall.
Don't fall down, please. Oh, that was easy.
Okay, it's safe. That's crazy. Ah! Stupid bugs! How come every time I start vlogging, something hits me? Last time we were in San Diego, a flower hit me in the eye. This time a bug just like hit me in the face on this eye. This video probably doesn't do any of this justice. It's crazy. Look at this. Look up here. This is like the most insane thing I've ever seen. Oh, I just almost fell.
You almost threw your camera down there.
My camera. Look, there's grandma up there.
Thank you so much.
In the white shirt. Way at the top.
You're not smart.
Hi guys, we're in a little store. I'm gonna get this dream catcher. It's made by Native Americans over in this area, so that's pretty cool. Where's Kaylee, Grandma?
Take my way, that's the highway, that's the best. Here we go. I'm real 66. Well, I'm from Chicago, from St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City, so. Amarillo, Gallup, New Mexico, Phoenix, Arizona, don't forget Winona, Kingman, Boston, San. One more time, everyone. Get your own kiss. I'm Route 66. Sweet home Alabama. Georgia's right next to you. Sweet home Alabama. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for me this afternoon. I gotta keep on moving out through this train. And so, hope y'all enjoy your rest of your trip back down to Williams, Arizona. Safe travels back home. And like I said, my name is Nick Tycoon. Y'all have a great afternoon. Thank you very much. Best car so far, for sure.
All the money, pocket change, gold teeth, the hands in the handbag. Can't stop, had a heart attack. No, that's not on the list. All right, all the money, pocket